The Net Trade panel gives you the ability to check your open positions at a glance. By separating buy and sell orders and categorizing positions by symbol, you can easily close an entire type of symbols by a single click. The Net Hedge column shows the unhedged positions, so if the amount is positive, then the buy type is larger, and if the amount is negative, then the sell orders are superior. The average open price gives you an indication about the average open price for all positions on that symbol and that order's type. Net value and net open value will give you the current value and the open value for that symbol and type. If the physical delivery option is enabled, you can make delivery for net positions in the Net Trade.